Welcome to Hyalite Creek. We are just north of Practice Rock area. A little bit of overview. Hyalite Creek begins at a spring water underneath Hyalite Peak, about 10 miles north of here. And this is the dominant waterway for Hyalite Canyon and incorporates many of the creek flows. So we're seeing a little bit more volume here than we would up at the headwaters. Because this creek originates from a glacially carved mountain valley, it is a very steep stream gradient. This means it's still eroding and it's not in equilibrium yet, as it's not totally flattened out. And although glaciers originally carved out this valley, Hyalite Creek is now the dominant erosional force in the valley. This stream gradient gives the stream a good amount of power for how little water is in it. Right now, the stream is running at about 51 CFS, with the rain we had a few days ago spiking up to 57 CFS. So this is a very small spike, but at a very short lag time because it's such a small watershed. For something like the Yellowstone River with a larger watershed, you would find a longer lag time with a larger spike as well, because it has a larger watershed. And the fact that this creek sits at the bottom of a very steep canyon valley keeps it pretty straight. Thus, it has a low sinuosity value, about 1.1. The sinuosity ratio is the distance it takes to travel from the headwaters to the discharge area in a straight line or as a bird flies, over the distance it takes to travel by boat with all the meanders of the stream, which is not too much farther in this case. The stream power allows this creek to cut through the volcanic and metamorphic bedrock we can see over there. But the bottom of the creek is not bedrock. It is actually rounded cobbles that the river has deposited, meaning this is an alluvial stream. The channel reach in this section is a plain bed due to the slight texture we see up here on the surface water, with the bottom of the stream being relatively shallow and flat. And then right here we can see a step pool where the water kind of drops into a deeper section because of this log and other rocks kind of damming it up a little bit. Up higher in Hyalite Creek, it gets a lot steeper, which larger boulders because it hasn't been eroded fully, which gives more of a cascade channel reach with more step pools. And then down here we can see there's no more gravel or sand particles. They've all been eroded away, which leaves this to be a pretty rough bottom with only pebbles, cobbles, and boulders left. But this is a great spot. You know, I love Hyalite Creek and I love you. Thank you.